Wallipops, we're celebrating the Super Mario Brothers movie with a Bowser cake. I love Bowser, he's my favorite Super Mario Brothers character, so I was really excited to make this. Also really scared because I knew it was going to take a long time and I knew it was going to be very hard. This cake was supposed to come out a month before the movie's release date, but I did that thing where like you put it off until tomorrow and then like an entire month went by. But eventually I started it and here it is, the final product, which I'm super proud of. I did have a little hiccup though. I didn't like the way his body was coming out, so I ended up just removing all of that cake and just leaving Bowser's head, which I think looks pretty cool. Now I'm curious, what Super Mario Brothers character would you like to see me make next? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.